Hello everyone, and welcome back. Alright, so today was a pretty awesome day for me, and that is because Randy Perkins finally put out his very first 2 videos today, and I'm pretty stoked about that. So, in light of that, just so happens I have a challenge lock here that is pinned by Randy Perkins. And this lock was sent to me by West Coast Picks, and West Coast, thank you for this lock. And yeah guys, Randy put out his very first 2 videos today, and yeah, they were pretty awesome. He said he really doesn't like to make videos, guys. I encourage you, go watch his channel, blow it up, subscribe to it, comment with him, encourage him to make more videos, because yeah, I want to see more videos. So yeah, get over to his channel, watch his videos. Like I said, encourage him to make some more videos, because we want to see him. But anyways, let's try to get into this lock. It does hang up pretty good here. Sometimes I can't even get it to go in reverse, so that's telling me it does have some pretty either some T-pins or something pretty good in there. But anyways, that's the bitting on the key. It's not too bad. I mean, it doesn't look too radical or anything. But yeah, see if we get in it and we can take a look inside. All right. I think we will go with top of the keyway with this Peterson pry bar and 40 thousandths, and let me try this. I got a steep hook from Salford. See, because I got to work from the bottom of the keyway here. It looks like it's pretty steep, and I think this is going to be a little too tight still. Yeah, that warding is still in our way. It's a little tighter than I thought. Alright, I guess I'm going to have to try to go with this Peterson hook and 15 thousandths and see if we can get in there. Alright, let me do this too. Let me try to add a little more leverage on the bottom if I can. Alright, see what we got here. I think that was one. Okay, I got a little bit of a false set off of 3. I think I'm on 2. Some counter rotation, I think. Get in there. Yeah, go over to his channel, watch him, comment with him, encourage him. I mean, he made a couple great videos today. I mean, no reason to stop now. I'm getting some counter from 3. Might have overset something. Okay, we got to really, yeah, I did overset something, so we got to really do false set. I believe that was off of 5. Alright, hold on. Let me, I'm going to try to switch up here. I can't really get at that first pin, I don't think. Let me see. Whoa. Oh, yeah, we're open on 1. That's what it was. Sweet. Alright, let's see what we got in Randy's lock. Move that light a little bit too bright. too bright with that light. Alright, well, we can lock it up. We'll get this clip out. Oh, hold on, let's try something. Try this clip remover. See if it'll work on even this clip. Well, this clip is already pretty much coming off anyways. Yeah, this clip is coming right out anyways. Alright, yeah, I'm definitely going to be shimming this one. I think there's some T-pins in there. Alright, let's see what we got. Yep, we can see a number, well, we can see 1, 2, and 4. Oops, sorry about that. 1, 2, and 4 is reduced on the top. Excuse me, 1, 2, and 5. Alright. Number 5 is kind of close to the shear line, but not too close. I'm trying to move this stuff a little bit out of my way here. Alright. Pin 1 we have standard. 2 we have a, oh, nope, that's 3, standard. 2 doesn't want to come out of there. There it is. It's a very deep spool with a sharp edge. It's kind of beveled too down the spool, but I'll show it to you. 4 is the standard, excuse me. And these pins do not like to come out of here. I'm going to bang it on my desk. Sorry about that. I should have actually used a pick to get it out of there because we have some threading. See if I can focus it for you. Come on. It doesn't want to focus too good. We have threading in 2 and 5. Alright, see what we got up here. The follower's pretty loose in here. Okay, we have a T-pin. Well, look, it's a drunken spool, kind of, sort of. There's another wafer in there. You can see it's beveled down too. See if I get the wafer out. Yep, there's a wafer and a very short brass spring. Number 2, we have a standard. Another short brass spring. Number 3, we have a spool. Came out like that. We have a little spool. I think all the springs are same, little brass ones, and then we have this here is what was, I think, hanging up this lock. Because it came out just like that, and that is very T-pinish, for sure. Yep, springs are all the same, and number 5 we have barely popping up the shear line, see it down there? So these springs are short, and it is a serrated. Nicely serrated too. Alright, and we have another short brass spring. Alright, so up here, looks like he got into the, no, maybe he didn't. Yeah, he didn't do nothing up here. Nope, nothing done up in the Bible. Let me see if I give you a look at these pins here. Alright, number 1 we have a regular standard, and up top here we have a drunken spool, kind of like beveled down. And then here we have a very deep spool, beveled there, you can see. And up top we have a standard. Number 3, standard. Up here we got a little spool. 4, we have a standard. Up here we have a T-pin, very small T-pin. And down here we have a double spool in 5, T-pin, and we have a serrated on the top here in 5. And we have all the same brass springs. Awesome. Another fun lock by Randy Perkins. And yeah, guys, like I said, please go blow up his channel for me. Yeah. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. If you have any questions or comments, comment below. And yeah, please everybody, be safe and stay legal. Thanks guys. Bye.